In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Airbnb app on your iPhone. Whether you're planning your next vacation or looking for a place to stay on your upcoming business trip, having the Airbnb app on your phone can make booking accommodations quick and convenient. Let's dive right into the process. First, you'll want to locate the App Store on your iPhone. The App Store icon is often found on your home screen and looks like a blue square with a white A. Once you've found it, give it a tap to open it. Now that you're in the App Store, it's time to search for the Airbnb app. To do this, simply tap on the search icon, typically represented by a magnifying glass, located at the bottom right of the screen. In the search bar at the top, type in Airbnb. As you type, you'll likely see a list of suggested results. You want to select the one that simply says Airbnb, as this will lead you to the correct app. Once you see the search results, you need to identify the official Airbnb app. It can be recognized by its distinctive icon, which is usually a combination of pink and white with the Airbnb logo. Be careful not to select any apps that might look similar, but are not the official Airbnb app. Double check that the developer listed is Airbnb Inc. to ensure authenticity. After finding the correct app, you're ready to download it. Look for the button that says Get and tap on it. If prompted, enter your Apple ID password or use Face ID or Touch ID to authorize the download. The app will start downloading to your device immediately after you've authorized it. At this point, your iPhone will begin installing the Airbnb app. You'll see a circular progress indicator showing how much of the app has been downloaded and installed. This might take a few moments, so be patient as your device handles this process. When the installation is complete, you're almost ready to start using Airbnb. Open the app by tapping on the icon that has appeared on your home screen. If you're new to Airbnb, you'll need to sign up by creating an account. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up a new account. This usually involves entering your email address, creating a password, and possibly confirming your identity via email or phone number. And there you have it. With the Airbnb app now installed and your account set up, you're all set to start exploring the many accommodation options Airbnb has to offer right from your iPhone. Whether you're looking for cozy apartments, unique stays, or luxury retreats, you can now book them with ease. Enjoy your travels and happy booking.